I think with today's judgment, the Goa BJP has lost the battle of perception for 2022. In effect, it has actually lost the municipal election, which they wanted to say was the semi-final for 2022. I think they have vindicated our stand that the BJP in Goa cannot win any election without cheating. भ्रष्टाचारी जनता पार्टी म्युनिसिपल इलेक्शनाक रीग करून सोदताली with its anti-woman, anti-ST आणि anti-minority ideology. सरकारच्या तोंडावर थापड पडला, बरेच सणसणीत थापड पडला म्हणून I think the chief minister has no legal or moral right to continue and must resign. Now this current government has turned democracy into an autocracy with a purchased mandate. विकते घेऊन आमदार हाडल्या ताजेर ही जी लोकशाही आहे ही ऑटोक्रेसी करून उडयल्ली आहा. And they have surrounded themselves with sort of dim-witted advisors from the party who have no understanding of the rule of the law. आता मुख्यमंत्री वता आणि जनता दरबार घेता पार्टी ऑफिसान. म्हाका एक सांग, पार्टी ऑफिसान जनता कशी पावली? अरे जनता दरबार घेवपाक पार्टी ऑफिसान येतले तुझे पार्टी वर्कर. जनता पार्टी ऑफिसान पावली कशी तुजी आणि कशी कळली लोकांक? फाल्यां म्हजेर जर अन्याय जाला हांव तुज्या पार्टी ऑफिसान येतलो म्हणून म्हाका कशें कळपाचें तूं थंय येता म्हणून? हें जें तो करता is basically, I think, he has finished that thin line between party and government. So, जाला कितें ना, तांकां दिशिल्लें की the entire opposition can be bought and fixed. So हें जायना, हें आज आमी प्रूव करून दाखयल्लें.